I really enjoy welding and stuff, and I'd love to pursue it. I know I want to be like my own boss. Like, I don't want to be working for a company. I don't know. I enjoy like hard work. I couldn't be sitting in a cubicle working on a computer all day. I also like just sitting there welding and seeing how I can fix my welds and make them look better, or other like techniques I can use and stuff like that. It's like really satisfying to me, I guess, to see like the finished project, or like see what I started with. Like, I started my project with like old metal, had like paint all over it, rusty, and I kind of had a vision for it, but I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to. But like, once you like get all the paint off of it, clean it off, get it all welded together, and make stuff flush, and make the cool little things that like are like unique to you and other people, and yeah, like it's cool to see the end project, and once you put paint on it and stuff like that. My name is Brendan Cox, and I'm a welding student at New Braunfels High School.